that has got that really smoky, dark treacle flavour. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to do something Mama told you not to do. She told you not to burn anything, but we are going to burn sugar. I have no browning sauce at all, so I need to burn the sugar to make a browning sauce. Browning sauce in Thailand is 10 times the price of the Western world. That's if you can get it. I can't get it. We are going to burn the sugar and make our browning sauce. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Okay, to our pan, 1 cup of sugar. So what we're going to do is cook it nice and slow, and we're trying to burn this sugar. So the sugar is going to melt, but it's going to give off a heck of a lot of smoke. So what we need to be doing, we need to be melting this, but we're trying to burn it. So it is going to burn, it is going to stick. Nice and steady around, keep it stirring, and we will melt this in. It will burn. Now I always add a little bit of water as we're going, boiling water as we're going. You know, there's many ways to do this. Some people just cook out the sugar nice and slow, but if you put boiling water in, it breaks down and cooks just the same, just nice and steady. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, because this is a sweet mixture, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of black dark soy sauce, which gives that little bit of saltiness in there, but not much. And that's my secret weapon for my browning sauce. And then it's not all sugar, you know. So what we need to do is just put a little bit more water in there. Let it cook a little bit. And then we're going to turn it off, it'll be ready. And we'll have a brown sauce, which we can bottle. Okay, there we are. That's our black or dark brown, our brown seasoning made. So turn off the heat. Now this is going to thicken up a little bit as it cools down. Don't worry about the froth, it's just how we've been stirring it. So that's it, there's our brown seasoning sauce. It's cooling down. It's cooling down a lot actually, but you can see the colour that this is going to be, and it's quite thick. Don't forget, it's still sugars in here even though you've watered it down. Now if you do get this scum on the top there, and it can stay on the top, let it cool down and then take the top off with a spoon, and then you're left with the brown seasoning sauce. Okay, so this is cool now, and you can see that's the colour. Now you normally wouldn't stick your fingers in, obviously, but this is for sure. There you go. And I can tell you that has got that really smoky, dark treacle flavour. Okay, so you're going to ask me what it tastes like. It tastes like burnt sugar. No, seriously, it tastes like a really strong black treacle. It's got a lot of sweetness in there, a little bit of salt in there. It's definitely got that smoky flavour. This is going to be a fantastic browning seasoning sauce when it cools down. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.